All right, guys, so we took a little break from YouTube. I mean, what, a week or two? We got the big cement truck. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. But we have been working, and we have a new video and a new build for you guys. And the build is not this build. This is actually a different video we're shooting. This is a different Subaru Legacy that we got. We're gonna go pick up a new build now. It came all the way from Florida on the truck. So we're gonna go load it on a trailer. And once we're back at the shop, we're gonna do a little walk around as usual, show you guys the damages, and let you guys know what it needs and what needs to get done. So let's go pick up the new build. Okay, so we got the trailer hooked up. We got everything ready to go. So we're gonna go pick up our new build now. We got the life jacket on, the helmet. Safety, #1 priority. I should be good to go. Yeah. I got my sunglasses installed in the helmet. That way sun don't shine.
But yeah, dragging this boat on the ground. I think I'm too fat for this.
Oh dang! Did you gain some weight?
No, dude, this is a kid's life jacket.
Yeah, right. That's an extra large.
This is a kid's life jacket, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Let's go. 2 buckles is enough.
Okay. Well, I got my seatbelt here, real quick. Throw it over here. This is the airbag cushion. That way you don't hit the steering wheel.
Alright guys, so here's a new build. It is 2018. Oh no, wrong car. Oh, yeah. Shoot. Alright, so here's what we got. We got a 2018 Subaru Legacy. And we took it apart a little bit. You guys seen in the previous clip, it was smashed pretty good. So, motor seems fine. Does have a couple broken sensors on the motor. We'll just order up some new ones. The dipstick's messed up. And yeah, it's got a little bit of frame damage right here. I think our frame guy should be able to just save that. And then it's got a buckle on this side too, which might be savable, might not be, we'll see. We'll see what the frame guy says. And yeah, it needs a new core support. Needs a piece of the apron. And comment down below what you guys think. Is this a hard hit? Is this gonna be an easy fix? What do you guys think the purchase price was for this?
So you guys remember the boat build? We basically reupholstered the whole interior. If you guys have not seen that video, go check it out. Looks super nice compared to what it looked like. It looked like garbage, so go check it out.
And then the airbags are blown, so the roof airbags are blown. The wheel airbag, I already took it out. It's blown. Yeah, let's see, what else we need? We need seat belts. The seat belts are blown. Whoever had this car before used a lot of lotion on their head or whatever. Let's see, it's so nasty. Holy moly. It's got a navigation, backup camera, all the bells and whistles. This is the top of the line limited. It's got the eyesight cameras.
We're also gonna show you guys how to do the roof airbags.
Yeah, we'll do a whole separate video on taking apart the interior and putting it back together. And putting the new roof airbags, the new headliner, the new seat belts, the steering wheel airbag, and then also getting the module done too. So, and then so also the door got hit on this side, but I don't know. Someone could probably fix it, but I don't think we're gonna try to fix it. And then the mirror, the cover's missing. The cover's cheap. The mirror's what's expensive. The mirror's in good shape. We could probably get a cover. I think it already comes painted matching the car. And yeah, the rest of the car in really good shape. Oh, and then actually, the rear bumper in the pictures wasn't damaged, but the driver that brought it said the tow truck guy screwed it up. Or not the tow truck guy, the forklift guy. So the bumper was good. Now it has a hole in it. Yeah, so the bumper has a hole in it, which whatever, we'll fix it, no problem. It just sucks, extra work that you gotta put in, and that's just something you gotta be prepared for. There's always some sort of surprise, and it's coming from Florida, so you're not gonna be like, well, I'll take it back. So yeah, the bumper needs to get fixed up, but the rest of the car is in super good condition. I might have a little minor dents and scratches here and there, but it's in pretty good shape. Got a little dent there, but it is what it is. And this car was purchased at IAA, and it was a buy it now. So for those of you that are not familiar with IAA, it's pretty much the insurance company put the price on it. You don't have to wait for the auction, or the car already went through the auction and they didn't get what they wanted for it. So they just post it up for a buy it now price, and that's the price that you could buy it right there and there. And if it's a good price, you buy it and it's yours. Or if you want, you can wait for the auction. Sometimes the cars will go for more at auctions, then you could just buy it now. So I found this one. It was a good deal. I jumped on it, and yeah, should be pretty fine. Fine and dandy. So it's a 2018 Subaru Legacy with 20,000 miles on it. And it came out of Florida. So it's clean, no rust, and it should be a good build.
So just a random question, maybe somebody's curious. So we live in Washington State, which is across from Florida.
The whole freaking Florida.
So
America.
What does it cost? Maybe the people want to know. What does it cost from Florida to Washington to bring a car like this wrecked, not run and drive like you did? Maybe somebody.
So this was an in-op car. As you can see in the video before, what I also already did that we haven't mentioned. I put a new control arm on it and a new axle, and the tie rod is still bent. I still got to get a new one of those. So that way we were able to push the car off the trailer, and it rolled on its own, because before this was all ripped out, and it would have been a pain in the butt to try to get it off the trailer. So what it cost to bring the car from Florida to Washington State was $1,100.
And that's about 2,200 miles approximately?
Yeah, that's far. That's pretty much, yeah, from one side of America to the other. And that's a pretty fair price considering it was an in-op, so they couldn't drive it on or off the trailer. Once they set it where they set it, it had to sit there from Florida till it got here and get forklift off. And yeah, usually the price varies anywhere from about $800 to $1,500 is price ranges that I personally had to pay for cars, and it still should be worth it once we're done with it. So I think it's a wrap for this video. Stay tuned. We got parts already ordered. The next video will be to take apart the interior and put the interior back together with all the new parts before we take it to the frame shop. So hopefully that will go as planned. And stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.